Welcome to StreamFocus, an integrated project, workflow, and action management web application. This screencast will show you how to plan a project. My name is Fred Gibson, a founder at StreamFocus, and we'll start by logging in. I've made a company called Visions Photography for this demonstration. We'll go to the Visions Photography workspace and click the New Project button to create our new project. And we're going to create website imagery for the Great Art Tours company, and this is a photo shoot project. Now we're ready to plan the critical path for the project, and it's comprised of a connected sequence of sub-projects or workflows connected at each node by a pending workflow. We'll start planning the project by creating a sub-project, plan shots. Once we're finished planning the shots, we'll be ready for our Florence trip. After that, we'll create the sub-project for the Florence trip, after which time we'll be ready to edit the imagery. So the way this form works is that the yellow color indicates a pending workflow and the blue color indicates a workflow. So now when we look on our chart here, we can see that there's a Florence trip workflow and then the yellow is the pending workflow. So we need to connect these two separate streams. So we'll click on the Edit button here, and for the next workflow, it'll be our Florence trip. Let's save it. So now we have most of our project in the abstract, and so we'll add just two more items to finish it off. So for the previous here, actually, I forgot where we were. Let's scroll down and look at our chart here below. So imagery to be edited is where we last left off. So imagery to be edited, the next step after that will be to publish on the web. Save that. So now we have the complete project in the abstract. So what we can do now is we can go in to side of a sub-project and create another structure there. The first thing we want to do is design the photo shoot. So we'll create a new workflow, and we'll use the layout photo shoot template. And this will be our Uffizi gallery. Trip. And then once we have that layout, we'll want it to be approved by the client. Save that. We'll create another workflow, and this one will be client approval. We have to go back and click the edit here. Forgot to connect it up. Previous would be to approved. Save it. Okay, so this is our sub-project structure. Not too complicated. Now if you notice, the timing for my work as we've been working changes depending on what I'm doing automatically. So if you look here, it's always what our current object is being timed. So back to our project level, we can zoom out by clicking on Project here. So this shows us again the project path. The other thing we need to do before going on our Florence trip is actually to book the flight. So we'll create another workflow using the book flight. And that will lead into ready for the Florence trip. So what this means is that we won't be able to move forward to the Florence trip before we've gotten our Florence trip round tickets, of course, and plan the shots. And now to finish our planning, we'll create some more specific next actions for our workflows. So we'll go into the round trip ticket workflow and click Next Action. First thing we want to do here is research the ticket fares. Then we'll go back to the project plan, go into our planned shots. For the Uffizi gallery photos, we'll create a next action here and finalize the locations. So now we can look at our to-do list in the Work tab, and what we need to do right now is finalize our locations and then research the ticket fares. Thank you for watching. That's how we plan a project with StreamFocus. Stay tuned for our other screencasts. Thank you.